So today we are at the Bodmin Prison Hotel in Bodmin in Cornwall. As you can tell, it's an old prison building that's been transformed into a stunning hotel. So we're going to take you inside and we'll take a look and see what we think to this place. So our room is just through here on the left hand side. So we're at the Bodmin Jail Hotel. So this is the bedroom. But obviously this is not the bedroom. This is one of their display cells of how it would have been all those years ago. Our bedroom is just down this corridor, so let's walk through and we'll show you around the room. So our room's just down here and it's number 24 down on the ground floor. So let's head on in and we'll take a look. So as soon as you walk into the room, you've got a nice large window opposite, letting lots of natural light in. And as we look around here, we've got the bedroom. Looking absolutely fantastic. So let's make a start looking around this room here at the Bodmin Jail Hotel. So as you're coming in, just step back a bit, on the right hand side you've got a nice mirror there. And behind the door here you've got the little fire chart. So you can see it's like a bit of an L-shaped sort of building, and we are just here. And then you walk around this way and through there to reception, and then just there's the main entrance, and all this is the car park. So carrying on into the bedroom then, and you've got the controls for the air conditioning just there. So bearing in mind this is an old prison, the fact that they've managed to do all this to it as well, and I don't think there's many prison cells, I may be wrong, I haven't been in prison, but that have air conditioning. But in this one, in Bodmin Jail, you've actually got air conditioning. You've got a safe as well, just there to keep your belongings in. On the next shelf up, you've got two glasses, and then right up there in the corner, you've got a hairdryer there as well. As we look a bit further down, we've got a small fridge. I don't know if there's anything in it, but let's take a look. So in the fridge then, we've got two bottles of what I assume is complimentary water, and then two small bottles of milk to go with the tea and coffee in the room. And then the wardrobes continue across. So let's have a look what's in these sections. So the doors slide across. Just need to find my way into them. So on this left hand side you've got some hangers, and then you've got a couple of drawers down the bottom there. And then on the side here you've got your bedside light and a couple of switches. I do actually like these sort of switches as well, these like little type pin sort of old-fashioned sort of switches. That's pretty good. And then you've got a single socket and a USB, which is always good to see. And then you've got two drawers there and a little welcome letter on the side there. So each guest has two pillows, and I absolutely love that green headboard. It looks really good. It's absolutely amazing what they've actually done with an old prison cell. When I say prison cell, it looks like this bedroom area is actually two that have been knocked into one cell. So then looking across from the bedroom, you've got your TV up there on the wall. You've got your dressing table or desk for sitting there and doing your work. Ignore all our clutter that's beneath there. Taking a closer look on the desk, you've got a handset there to contact reception, and you've also got a kettle, another spare socket there, plug in your laptop or hairdryer, whatever it is that you need to plug in. And then down here we've got, and just spotted these, we've got some Bodmin Jail Hotel luxury chocolate. So we'll crack those open shortly, they won't last long. And then you've got your remote for the TV, and then you've got the nice little lamp there on the desk. A chair there to sit at the desk and work at, and then round here you've got two chairs there to sit at, and you've got your little table here in the window. So just here then we've got two cups, you've got a little teapot just there, and then here you've got a selection of teas. So you've got some Cornish tea, being in Cornwall, they're always big on Cornish produce down here, which is good to see. So you've got some luxury hot chocolate in that one. And then we've got some Cornish breakfast decaf, which is good. Kev's off of caffeine currently, so it's good that they've catered for people that need caffeine-free, decaffeinated sort of coffees and teas. And some biscuits. What biscuits have we got? So we've got, it says 2 Viennese Wills, but something leads me to believe that Kev's already made his way into this packet, and there's only one in there. And then behind there, we've got the Golden Oat Crunch. And then you've got a little bin just down there. Looking out the window, obviously we're in an old prison. You don't expect to have much of a view, and we haven't got much of a view, but it's to be expected. But it's just nice to actually be inside the prison walls in that sense. I'm guessing this is nothing like how it used to be, but yeah, you don't come to a jail and expect it all to be manicured lawns and things like that, so it's really good. And then you have got curtains. Again, I'm guessing you don't have these in a normal prison cell, but here in this hotel, you have got curtains there as well. And you may be wondering, it's an old stone building, is it cold in the room? The answer to that is no. It's really nice and snug actually. It's really good. As I say, it's got air conditioning in here, so I don't think you'll get cold at all. And obviously in the summer, if it does get warm, you'll be able to cool it down really easily. And it's a lovely, fantastic old stone building. And this one's actually been empty before they took on the building. It's been empty for a long, long time. So long, I can't remember how long. But yes, it's been empty for so long. Then they've taken it on, done all this work to it, and it's absolutely fantastic. Was talking to the people on reception earlier, and there's talk of a swimming pool being introduced in the near future. It's not here yet, but it's all going to be improved as and when they get to different parts of it. And then here you've got like the old shape of the windows with double glazing in, so no drafts here. But what a quirky place to stay in. It's Bodmin Jail Hotel, where people used to be locked up, and now we're here on a leisure break, so really fantastic. And then just down here on the floor that I've missed, you've got a nice Bodmin Jail Hotel floor mat. And then you've got some hangers up there for your do not disturb sort of signs, and when you want your room to be cleaned. So that's the bedroom. Let's head on into the bathroom and we'll take a look in there.
Right, now I'm going to show you around the bathroom, so come on in. For a prison, this isn't too bad. It's got a bath, really deep bath as well. Yeah, it's to a really high standard. It's really big. You could have a proper soak in there. So I'm coming on round. You've got the toilet, you've got a sink, and got some nice noble aisle hand wash there. And then in front of you is this massive mirror, absolutely huge. And then coming on round still, you've got the shower, rainfall shower, very nice. And if you want to wash your hair, you've got an attachment there to do your hair as well. And again, you've got a range of bath and shower gel, you've got conditioner, and you've got shampoo as well. And you can control it all from here as well, which is really useful, so you don't have to get into the shower and have cold water spraying over you. So I think, you know, for a hotel that's been built in a prison, I think this is to a really high standard, and personally I can't fault it. And the other benefit as well is that soundproofing. You know, they say you can't build them like they used to. You really, I'd be very surprised if there's any noise issues from your neighbour, because it's literally all brick. So yeah, absolutely fantastic.
We are now on one of the landings, and it just looks so different to how it would have once looked. This is the Hangman restaurant, where you can get bar snacks as well as hot drinks and cake. We took a break from filming to try out the coffee and walnut cake, and it was absolutely amazing. After the cake, it was time to go to the gym. When I say go to the gym, it was only to film it for you to see. The gym here at the Bodmin Jail Hotel has a good selection of machines for a hotel gym, including a treadmill, rower and cross trainer. We're now in the Chapel Champagne Bar before going upstairs to the Chapel restaurant for dinner. In the Chapel restaurant, there's a great selection to choose from for evening meals. We went for the duck parfait for starters, followed by the breast of pheasant for the main. So it's the next morning here at the Bodmin Jail Hotel in Bodmin in Cornwall. What was the night like? Well, really good. The walls are so thick you can't really hear any noise from fellow guests or anything like that. And it was nice and comfy bed. Probably one of the best night's sleep I've had in some time. We've just been to have breakfast. That was absolutely fantastic. Probably the best breakfast I've had in a long time. The hash browns, apparently, they take 2 days to make. They make them from proper potatoes, not out of a bag or anything, and it takes them 2 days to do different processes. Best breakfast we've had in a long time. Can't beat a Cornish breakfast, to be honest. And we'll certainly be coming back here to the Bodmin Jail Hotel. Really fantastic. The price we paid was about £225, I believe, and we'll put the exact price on screen if it is actually different. But yeah, expensive compared to some hotels, but for what you get, it's really good value. And I don't think it's going to be long until they become a 5-star hotel. They're doing everything right to achieve that 5-star rating. And also there's plans coming up for a swimming pool as well. So it's only going to get better here at the hotel. So if you've enjoyed the video, please do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel to see more, and check out our other Devon and Cornwall videos that are on screen now.